A very good morning to everybody. I am D. Subhastri, 12th Standard Business Max from Government Model Girls Higher Secondary School, Manachanallur. Hello, I do not wear a face mask because I am in a separate room. You must wear it.
Follow these easy steps to help prevent the spread of COVID. First one, disinfect surfaces around your home and work. Second, wash your hand for at least 20 seconds. Third, sneeze or cough, cover your mouth. Fourth, wear a face covering. Fifth, keep your distance.
Today headlines are Tokyo Olympics PV Sindhu in an exclusive interview to India Today said that she was on the top of the world after winning her second successive Olympics medal in badminton. The 26-year-old dedicated her bronze medal to the victims of COVID-19 pandemic. The Greenland ice sheet experienced a massive melting event this week, releasing enough moss to cover Florida with 2 inches 5 centimeters of water, according to Danish government researchers who monitored the ice sheet. Indian Railways has achieved highest ever incremental freight loading of 1754 million tons in July 2021, which was 43% higher than the corresponding period of last year, according to official sources. The University of Delhi has started the registration for undergraduate programs today, August 2. The online registration window for the undergraduate merit based programs will close on August 31. The anticipated third wave of the COVID 19 pandemic is likely to hit India in August, which may reach its peak in October. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched a new digital payment mode in India called e-Rupee and is powered by Unified Payments Interface. The centre on Monday rushed a multidisciplinary team to Maharashtra after a case of Zika virus was reported from its Pune district recently. Lok Sabha passes bill to private insurance companies. The bill is aimed at generating required resources from the Indian markets so that public sector general insurers can design innovative products. West Bengal Finance Minister has urged Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman not to go ahead with the privatization of public insurance companies. Thank you to all the good souls who have been saving us and our family from COVID.
We stay at work for you. You stay at home for us. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank